everyone, and for today we are going to see the overnight lip mask. It's been a while since I did the what is it like the product knowledge on these. This released in April in our seminar, but unfortunately I didn't get to do the product knowledge for this one. So that's the product we are going to see for today, and it's so compact, and if you have dry lips, this is like such a boon to you. Today I don't have anything because I wanted to show you how it looks. So I think when you buy it separately you don't get the spatula, but when you were able to buy in the lip care collection that came with lip smooth lip balm and the overnight lip mask, it even had one little spatula. I kept mine somewhere so I couldn't find it today. So you need such a small amount, you don't need a lot. So it is, as the name suggests, it's overnight lip mask, so you leave it at night for it to soak in. But if you're not going to go anywhere or do it even during daytime, if you are in severe winter months, you can pretty much use it in the morning too. And it's so moisturizing, and it makes your lips so soft. We are going to see the ingredient list in a while, but before that I just want to apply and show you how it's going to get soak all the moisture while at night. So here I have the product knowledge guide from that. So what it says is overnight lip mask is a leave-on lip sleeping mask that soothes and hydrates for visibly plumpier, pillow soft, smoother and suppler lips upon waking in the morning. The formula is packed with active ingredients and botanicals specifically chosen to give you the most hydrated, softest lips of all, and also featuring a juicy watermelon scent and flavor. This overnight lip mask not only gives you soft looking and more hydrated lips, it also offers a pleasant sensory experience that fits in perfectly with your nighttime skincare routine. So as I said, the name itself suggests it's overnight lip mask, but if you are not going to wear any lip color or anything, I feel like you can wear it even in the morning too, and it's even easy for your kids and teen. Whenever you will find a huge difference when you had a chapped lips or something. If you apply it, you within what is it, like a few minutes, you will see it's so hydrating and such a moisturizing thing to do. So if you see the science behind the product, it says key to the formulation is the active lip perfection, which is a registered product which is derived from a purified extract of organic mustard sprouts, and this ingredient has been shown to increase hydration and decrease appearance of fine lines, and increase the appearance of volume of the lips, giving a plumpier effect after just one application. This active ingredient has no scent or taste but offers great plumping and hydrating benefits. So I use it along with my nighttime routine. So when I remove lip scents at night, and then I go over with either lip balm or lip volumizer, and then I top it with this. If you remember, we used to do this with collagen night pack too. So it is like you seal in all the moisture underneath, that way it doesn't what is it, like it has like multiple layer of protection. So that's how I do it. I remove it and then I apply either one of the lip volumizer or the lip balm, and then I go over with the overnight lip mask. And the next one, it says it rich in amino acids, vitamins, potassium and antioxidants. Watermelon extract in the lip mask is a superfruit ingredient that helps prevent moisture loss that can occur overnight. What specifically makes watermelon extract a superfruit status? Lycopene. Lycopene, a plant nutrient present in watermelon, is responsible for its deep red color. It acts as an antioxidant in our skincare and as a key ingredient in helping to hydrate and protect lips in the overnight lip mask. So it has like a watermelon scent, and you can see the color itself. It is derived, you can see that it's like a very light pale pink, and as I said, you can see that's the reason I applied it before starting the video, so that way you can see how nourishing it is throughout the time. It also has natural castor oil, nanga oil, and rich in shea butter hydrate, soften and smooth lips texture. And also it has our Senaplex complex, which is going to help with faster cellular regeneration. And if you always know, there is no sweat glands in our lips, so that's why it cannot moisturize by itself. If you know, when we persevere with our holes and sweat, that's when our body will be like more cold, but lips doesn't have that feature at all. A generous layer of this soothing mask at bedtime helps reduce signs of dryness and dehydration, so you can wake up to lips that feel hydrated, supple and soft to the touch and look plumpier and more youthful. So as I said, it's available individually or as part of our lip care collection. Also, it's gluten free, paraben free, and free of any animal byproducts. So it's vegan and cruelty free products, so they are not tested on animals. So you cannot apply it with lip sense, because lip sense always want to be with on top of clean lips, so that it can stay longer. So these things will break the color, so it's always advised to use it at night time or the days you don't use lip sense. So even though it has pink color, you don't get any color while wearing it, so it doesn't have any color transfer at all. And it's always preferred to have it as a nighttime routine. And the scent that it has, it will give you that spa kind of feel, like a wind down, like enjoying your own time. That's why they have added that. So it's really a nice one to have if you have dry lips, or even if you don't have. Anytime having a plumpier lips always gives you like a healthy look. Even the day you wear lip sense or lip balm or anything, it's still going to look really hydrated, because no one wants to have a chappy lips or anything. So this is such a nice product for you to have. And I feel like it will last at least to more than 3-4 months, because even if you use every single night, you are just going to use a very tiny amount. As you do every day, it is not going to be like as you started. So obviously you are going to start using very less amount going forward, and that way it will last you longer. That's the reason it is in like a container, because it's thicker when compared to I always say, for the day cream to night cream, when it comes in a tub, that means the cream is thicker. That's why the consistency you can achieve it from there, because it cannot come in a pump. When it is in a pump, that means it's little liquidy or something, but when it is in a tub, that means it's obviously thicker. So if you are live in colder places, or if you always struggle with dehydrated lips, obviously drink more water, that is important, but grab this while it is available. So have a wonderful day, guys.